Hello everybody, this is the Cuber Channel, and today I'll be trying to make up my own method for solving Rubik's Cube. I think firstly, we need to get the cross, but I don't want to be familiar with CFOB, so just make white edges. That's all you want. You don't need to worry about them or worry about later. No, what's this? It's flipped. Yeah, because these edges, oh, okay, like that. Yeah. This is not great. Next, we need to worry about these edges, and I'm really worried, but I'm gonna just do a keyframe. Next, to solve these edges, I think it's kind of like Rue on the last 6 edges, but it's not really. Just need to move my arm hurts. Okay. I am not really happy. These two. I need to use something like to preserve the yellow. Alright, so that's some algorithms. I think for the last corners, you should just use Old Pocket. Oh no. Okay, just do a Y2. Yeah, just do a Y2 position. And this one goes to here. And then yeah, I made a mistake. So then here. Now this, let's just swap with this. And this one, go to the blue here. That's my own method. Next, before I time any solves with my method, I just gotta tell you that, crispy cubing. You made this video. I'm just gonna quickly show you. Here. Where are you? Oh, okay, here.
So, I was thinking about what I could be doing for fun and content when it struck me I should challenge a small channel to a cubing race. Because I'm a small channel and I will challenge.
I accept you, but yeah, I do accept you. How much do you average? And how much and where do you live? Because there's a really high chance. I couldn't watch this at the exact time it was uploaded because I was in math class, and it was around 5:30 p.m. So when I saw the sun was really bright, that means it should be the morning. So I think you like. So to tell you what I mean, for sure you live in a different time zone, and then I'm sure you live. So I live here in Toronto, and so I live. And then all the way here, I think you live around here, around like where Sam Cubing lives in Bangladesh. So that's just a problem. I do accept your challenge. Now on to the time solves. hopefully I do good. This is for my unboxing video, the Canon 11 Pro. This is definitely an easy class. Let's see now. Oh man. Okay, now what stuff is this? Okay, just do a U-turn. Now I tap in front. And then here. Yeah. Oh, okay, sub 2. 1 minute 49.211. It was pretty long and like expected. It's my own method, so I mean, if you're a beginner, try learning this. But I prefer learning CFOP because this is just for fun in my own method. So yeah.